i35equipment.com. This is a John Deere 310 SG backhoe loader. This is a local machine, runs and operates great. It does have all the options, which means it has four-wheel drive, full cab with HVAC. Also has that extendable dipper on the rear. That way you can dig deeper and reach further. And another thing that people don't really think about on the extendable dipper or Extendahoe is that you can actually get to places that you would normally have to move the whole machine for without having to move your machine. Always a nice feature. No def required. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. We're open by appointment only, but happy to have you out. Just give us a shout. We'll make sure we're on the calendar and that we have the gate unlocked for you. We do send equipment all over the country. Getting this machine shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. Do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. It does have all working front work lights, all working turn signals, and mostly working rear work lights. That front left tire is just shy of being new. Almost new front left tire's been on there just for a little bit, but not long. Excellent tread. Rear outriggers. It does have the joystick controls with the pattern control changer, so you can swap between backhoe or excavator digging controls. So no matter who's in the operator seat, whether it's you or someone working for you, you can feel right at home with the pattern control of their choice. There's a John Deere 24-inch bucket with 5 teeth on it. There goes the extendable dipper. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment sitting around being underutilized, you want more about our consignment sales service on the website, or give us a call. We're happy to visit with you. Folks all over the country, like I said, great, looking for that ready to work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. This machine utilizes the John Deere 4.5 liter diesel motor. This John Deere's bread and butter. They build a great engine. Start checking out the outside and then look at the engine and everything else. We'll hop in the station and look around here. Inside there, it does have these weld-on hooks up here in case you want to hook up to a set of hook under forks. Also, there's a couple hooks here for hooking up the chains to move anything. You can see it does have the weld-on cutting, or sorry, the bolt-on cutting edge. Capacity. oil spitting, which is normal. That's just pressure from the engine. But I didn't see any smoke, which would be blow-by. So I'm going to say no blow-by. What's that? Excellent. Newer tire. Hasn't been on long. Real good tire here too. Nice and tread. Storage right here for taking tools or fluids along with you. Factory John Deere rubber floor mat, factory seat underneath the cover here. Show your headlights, brake, throttle, bucket control, front loader bucket, turn signals, forward, neutral, reverse, and twist shift for different speeds. Bear with me for a second, and I'll show you all this, and then we'll flip around. Parking brake, this is your four-wheel drive switch. This is your joystick pattern control changer. Gauges look good. Parking brake's the only light that's on. Let's see if I can get this turned around here. All right. So once you're back here, you just pull these down. This is unlock, lock, unlock for your backhoe controls. Go ahead and flip it out here. And then your Extendahoe dipper is going to be this pedal. See it coming down. Great. No problem. This handle is a safety lock. So if you latch it all the way back, you can pull this to unlatch it. Outrigger is going to be here. Hand throttle here for when you're digging. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. You can always see our phone update inventory equipment online at i35equipment.com. Have a great day.